In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Ecwid. This process is straightforward and should take you about 5 minutes. Let's dive into the steps and get you all set up. First, you'll want to go to Ecwid's website at www.ecwid.com. Once there, it's time to log into your account. If you haven't created one yet, make sure to do so by following the sign up instructions, as you'll need an account to proceed with the next steps. After successfully logging in, you'll be navigating to your Ecwid store's dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll find various options, and for this setup, we're focusing on the apps section. This is your gateway to enhancing your store with additional functionalities like Printify, which is what we're after today. Now it's time to search for Printify in Ecwid's App Store. Simply type Printify into the search bar within the app section. Printify is a popular choice for print-on-demand services, and integrating it with your Ecwid store can offer your customers a variety of customizable print products. Once you've found the Printify app in the search results, the next step is to click on it and then select Install. This part involves following a few prompts. Typically, the installation process might ask for permissions or require you to confirm some details. Don't worry, this is standard procedure when connecting apps, as Printify will need access to synchronize with your store products and orders. As you follow the prompts, you might be required to sign in to your Printify account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Having a Printify account connects directly to your Ecwid store, allowing you to manage products and orders efficiently. If you're setting this up for the first time, it's a good idea to explore both platforms separately after connecting them, familiarizing yourself with the features. Printify brings directly into your Ecwid store. You could customize products, set pricing, and manage inventory all through this seamless connection. As an additional tip, make sure to periodically check for updates or any additional permissions needed, as both platforms roll out new features and improvements. Keeping them synced and updated will ensure the smooth functioning of your store. And that's it, you've successfully connected Printify to your Ecwid store. This integration opens up a world of possibilities for customizing products that can enhance your store's offering and hopefully boost your sales. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.